This how to 1 minute will show you how to schedule post in WordPress website. You can easily schedule a post from your WordPress. So first of all, you have to log into your WordPress dashboard and click on post and click on add new. Now write here the post title and here enter your post description. After editing your post, it's time to schedule the post. To do that, here select the post tab and under post tab you will find publish option. So you have to click on immediately and a calendar will open up here. And for example, I want to schedule this post in September 5. So here's I selected September and giving here 5 and the year is 2023. And now here you can change the schedule time. Now click on this cross icon and click on schedule. Click on schedule. And this is how we can schedule post. And if you want to see all of your scheduled posts, then from your WordPress dashboard, click on post and click on all post. And here you will find your scheduled post. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.